This video is brought to you by Against the Flow of Mississippi. Against the Flow of Mississippi is a book about Jake Fayard, a Marine veteran who is unhappy with the political machine running the state of Mississippi. He decides to fight the corruption from the inside. Jake will face more challenges than he ever has and will stand up for what he thinks is right. His notoriously hot temper will push him to the edge of murder, along with his friend and brother Kobe Barhanovich. Together, they will fight the system and give the power back to the citizens of Mississippi. Against the Flow of Mississippi is now available on Amazon. A link to the book will be placed in the description below.
This is the W6CSA Shack. My Hallicrafter's SR150 very much works. Matching power supply. Tuner. Here's a 706. There's the Alenco. Messy ass wires, my rotor, my operating station, scanner, power supply, got my, that's a project up there, that is a ATV converter, transmitter converter for amateur TV. Operates in the 434 and 439 megahertz frequency. Homemade. Got it at a Hamfest. Somebody cut the mic cord off, but got the mic elsewhere. Look out my big bay windows and watch the parking lot behind my house. My maps on the window. Here we go. Save it here where y'all can read that. I love that thing. Best 30 bucks I ever spent. Piece of plywood here. Okay. Go here's my map. Pins on all the places I've talked to on HF, or what I can get my fingers in there to pin. Air Force Mars. Something kind of special to me, given to me by a friend of mine retired from the Blue Angels in Pensacola, Florida. Some more maps, different modes and bands. My station license and club license. Then we come over here to the awards. My MBXA charter membership, AMSAT, Satellite Communicators Club, Crescent City Amateur Radio, Skywarn, another thing from Mars, Certificate of Merit from ARRL. Yeah, I gotta brag a little bit. An old hurricane tracking chart, somebody threw it away. 1987. Local news station here. My old call, my old license plate there. Grid Bandit certificate. Thank you, JD and Zero IRS. There's my VE. Here's all my NIMS certifications. Got quite a few of them, just because I like MCOM. And my compass for satellite. That'll just about do it. Another project that's probably going to be an Echo Link or either data computer. I haven't figured it out yet. An old custom built, given to me by old K5JZ, old George Buffet. Alright. Next part, I'm going to walk outside. Unless I can figure out some way to pause this thing, we'll walk outside and give you the antennas. If not, thank you for watching. W6CSA Grid Bandit number 295.
This is the W6CSA tire project. A little mess here. Working on this thing most of the morning. Ran out of concrete, so it's not plumb, but I got about 3 feet down so far of concrete. See that? And as you can see, it goes up. It's going to be a house bracket. Me and my neighbor did this all morning. 2 more sections going up. Been a long day. I'll show you the rest of the tower, rest of the antennas. My HFs, 40 and 80. Alpha Delta DXCC, 20. See, 10, 15, 20, 40, and 80. G5RV that I ain't took down yet. My loops for weak signal. 2 meters, super wheels. Another shot of the tower. Try to zoom in a little bit. And it won't let me zoom, but that's okay. My homebrew antennas that I had getting started. My Ringo Ranger for 2 meter FM. Some of my, I don't know if it can be seen too good, but those are my HF wires. Going to there, going to the fence. That's about it. W6CSA 73. Thank you for viewing. Alright, this is tower project number 2. This is going to be a lot shorter tower. There's only 2 sections. There's 1 section. The other section is going to be for the 6 meter. I have the vertical beams. You know, probably a 4-element Arrow 52S4 from Arrow antennas. And a small TV rotator, maybe a Ringo Ranger for 6 meters. It's going to be about it. Thank you for watching. W6CSA 73.